Penthouse Pets Norm and Jess are on a roll.
Perfect.
Earlier, they were over the moon about their kitchen design. Now they have a blockbusting idea that could give them a massive advantage over the others.
We've got an idea. And this idea could make us the winners of the block for 2018. It's a game changer. It's to get a pool up here on the patio when apparently it's impossible to do.
Love it. Just imagine a huge pool overlooking Fitzroy Street with diving board, bar, jacuzzi, magic. And the man for the job is here. Enter block engineer Doug.
Hey, Norm. Hey, Doug, how are you?
Doug,
good.
I'm going to give you a cuddle because we really need a favour.
Jess, yeah.
How are you?
Well, what do you want to do out here?
We're wanting to put a pool in.
That magic word, pool.
I know.
Here we go again. Pools. I didn't think we were going to come up on this one, but we've got pools again. Look, we've got some capacity. We don't have a huge amount of capacity.
Now, the thing is, we've found a pool company that is going to invent a pool that is ridiculously lightweight, partially acrylic, etc., etc. So we just need to know what the weight capacity is, if it can even handle the water inside a pool.
Okay. Yeah, we could look at what we could do with a metre of water. Yeah. As long as you then had ways of screening it or not affecting the architecture. Yeah. OK, well, I'll have a look on the plans at that corner and just see what the parameters are and what the critical bits are.
Yeah.
And I could even maybe suggest a better location structurally.
Absolutely, that'd be gorgeous.
We'll do some preliminary homework on it and see if there's any way we can accommodate it.
It's like all the stars are aligning.
My waters tell me it can be done.